I want to say it very categorically that as a party, as Jubilee, which was anchored in the formation of uniting the people of Kenya in 2015, where 14 political parties were collapsed into the formation of Jubilee, we are extremely very, very happy and excited about the results that our candidate garnered in the Thursday Kibra by-elections. The so-called bedroom Yababa. Why do I say so? One, every political party, whether it's in government, whether it's in the opposition, whether it is a parliamentary party, whether it's a small party, every political party must participate in any election. One, to win, and two, to know the strength of that party in that particular constituency. Kenyans will remember that over the last 20 years, no political party outside ODM has ever held a rally in Kibra. So for the first time, the Jubilee Party have secured its stronghold in preparation for the future elections. And after winning Wajir West, the whole of Northeastern Province had only 2 ODM members of parliament. So we secured 1 seat in the last by-election of 2019 in Wajir West. ODM lost in Embakasi South. They lost their seat to Wiper. ODM, in fact, lost in the other bedroom of Baba, in Bondo, in Ugenya constituency, where a small party won against the other bedroom. In fact, the rural bedroom of Baba, which is in Bondo. So it's for the first time that under the leadership of the Deputy President and the President, the Jubilee Party decided to test its popularity and strength and see whether between 2017 and 2019, a difference of 2 years, whether our popularity has reached one of the most opposition-led constituency in the heart of Nairobi, and that is Kibra. And the results are very clear. The results have shown that from 12%, the Jubilee Party secured 28% of the residents. For the first time, we held mammoth rallies inside the bedroom. We found ourselves, we went into the bedroom, we cooked tea at the kitchen, we sat at the sitting room for long, we visited the other rooms, we chatted with the watchman and the gardener, and it reached a stage where we told that we want to go to the bedroom and wake up Baba. And of course, Baba came out with outrage, and he had to kick us out. But at least we have secured 30% of the bedroom. And going forward, slowly by slowly, we will take over that bedroom, God willing, inshallah. So we are saying, and secondly, I want to say that those who are carrying the fake handshake narrative, there is a genuine handshake of President Uhuru Kenyatta, and there is another fake handshake of brokers and what you call in Swahili matepeli. Those both in Jubilee and in other regions. And I want to say it for free. If you look at the ethnic voting, Mariga got votes from the Jubilee ward, which is Woodley, to the man. Mariga got votes in the Luya and the Kamba and the Nubi strongholds, despite the violence. So those who went to Baba to rescue Baba, whether they are called Anwaiguru or Mutua or Ngilu or some some people who are not even Jubilee but who claim to be Jubilee, they were just baggage. They cheated Baba and there was raw deal. So as Jubilee, we are happy with the results. We are people who believe in the will of the people, and we said asikubali kushindwa si mshindani. Now on the matter of the BBI, of course, from where I sit, those of us who are in Jubilee, we have always very consistent in making sure that we support the initiative of the president in as far as the handshake is concerned. The president's handshake is about inclusivity, is about uniting the people of Kenya, is about the war against corruption, is about how to reduce the ethnic politics, is about how to preserve and implement the national values across the people of Kenya, and how to make sure that we have a national ethos, not ethnic or tribal or clan ethos. And we are humbly waiting for the report of the president. If and when it is unveiled, we as a party, we shall discuss, as parliament, we shall discuss, and we will subject it to public participation. And I am sure the people of Kenya will have a discourse, they will have a discussion that will be in the interest of every Kenyan as the president. So there are no two Jubilees. There is one Jubilee led by our party leader, President Uhuru Kenyatta, his deputy William Ruto, and I want to make it very, very clear. As a senior member of the Jubilee Party, our business for now is to implement the 4 big agenda, and the instructions and the guidance of the president is implemented by both the rank and the file of the Jubilee membership, starting with the deputy president to our grassroots supporters.